What's good, y'all?
I get the base, I got beef in the cook, a bit part of diamond, bitch, they sit on my wrist, they said it went sign and look for some cheese.
Y'all see, I got my car back, and right now I'm hand washing it because I'm broke, you know, how to get my car fixed and stuff like that. But I'm back vlogging now. Finna post this vlog right here. Yesterday, I went out, I hung out with some friends. I might throw that in the vlog and all, because you know, some stuff went down. But y'all see, I keep y'all posted. Yeah, I got my car back. All right, here how it look. I ain't put the wheel shine on, but it's looking clean, man. It's looking real clean, man. You see it? Clean. Put the wheel shine on, nigga, be looking spiffy. Man, I think I did my thing this time. Usually I don't hand wash my car, but yeah. All right, now I'm back at it with the game. We at the park. What up, B?
What up, boy?
Jaden. Hey, monkey, get over here. Oh. All right, yeah. But we at the park, man. Shit, lame as hell. You see, is dead out here. But dude, we went to Buffalo Wild Wings. Friends done tried to lift up a car. Alarm went off.
You surely didn't record that either.
Yeah, I did record that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did. But catch up with y'all. Oh, the camera look weird.
Are you good? Oh, shoot!
Man, look at the baby Hawk, man. Y'all can't tell me that on fire though, bro. Finna get some gas, man. Just took some pics. Yeah, man. Been a W night so far with the game, you know, but the baby Hawk once again, man. We finna get some gas right here on 5. Got it pre. Yeah, we rolling. Damn, nigga fart. I'm still dusting it. I'm getting gas. That shit slow. Yeah. I'm ready. Got my boy shining right here. What you guys say for the vlog, bro?
I already know, man.
Let's cut the lights on in the car so we can see.
I already know, man. We outside today. Trying to find something to do for real.
All right, hold on. Turn on me. So my game, got the game here, shining right here. Blood really think he can beat me. Come on. He got his camera up. Got him losing. It's all right. Camera shy. Look. Brick. Hold this, Katie. Hold this. Hold this and record this. This is game point. This is game. It's over. No more shots.
All on camera. Who is that man?
I'm on camera. Who is that man?
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Jab. Rip through. Get to the lane. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He locking that up. Jab. Rip through. Get to the lane. Oh, my God. He got dumping Cody. He got dumping Cody. He got dumping Cody. Oh yeah! Get up, Cody!
Oh, too much on Momo Cup. Oh, too bad.
Okay.
Right, go.
Now, if I say something, you're the reason why I'm finna leave. Like, hey, can't do nothing. You live here for free. You feed off me for free. You can't get the waters off the
Feed
pump.
you off of.
My parents
Yeah, you're
feed you for free.
What can you do for free? You think I'm supposed to pay for everything?
Can't put a trash
Ain't no trash bag.
bag.
We gotta say for the vlog.
What's up, Loud?
Fuck this nigga gonna put that on YouTube.
Hey guys.
What's your YouTube channel again? Car displays?
What? What is it?
Let me go.
Y'all leaving?
My Brad Close shot.
This straight now.
Hey, clip G big head on the thing.
They not my hat.
Yes, they is.
No, they not. They Dallas's. Nice.
Is my pizza still in the oven?
Let's see the hat, Dyson. Which one looks better?
Hey, throw me the hat, man. Throw me the hat.
Oh, you trying to get ass for the vlog?
Huh?
Look at the black and white one.
Who you think? I won't say it on the vlog.
I want.
So, let's be for real.
Whose spot he gonna take, Mikey?
Better than Miles.
He not taking TJ's or Mikey's spot. What's it gonna take? Mom?
He gonna take you and BJ's spot.
He's not taking my spot. He ain't taking my spot. I'm cooking with my with the step back.
Gee, I don't know why you laughing.
Why is it flashing? It's on.
Actually,
Let's talk about Dyson, man. Dyson is about 8 layups of the championship.
I think you were scared of the number one
Yo,
team
off.
next year.
Yeah.
It's in there like 3 tournaments.
They got bullied by the bullies.
They couldn't even inbound the ball, bro.
Yeah.
No, it was Mike.
Okay.
Mike
knows his
Hopefully Mike don't watch this vlog.
You don't be mad.
Mikey suck.
Regardless, because this is busted. What up, boy? You know your favorite person. I'll be in King's SRT Trap Talk Sleep.
Stop the cat.
You that fast when I watch the video, you.
Shit, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that. Like,
What did my mom buy? What did my mom buy you? What's that?
Them bitches Ninja Turtles, guys.
Let me see him, bro.
Actually, buddy, it's Looney Tunes. Get it right.
Dang.
They bat. They
Bro,
talk.
let me see him, bro.
Bro, watch out.
It's you.
Why are you recording that for the vlog?
Because I ain't got no storage in my
Oh, King.
Search it up.
What do you keep searching?
Hey, look, wait, I'm gonna go right here.
Hurry up, cuz.
That's what King be got. It's about right here. Oh, see, look, I like this because look, like, see right there, it's giving you. Oh my God! Stop!
It's alright. What y'all watching?
Victor Wimbiano.
Let me see. Let me see.
All right, but
I like the way it goes into the paint.
You like what? The way
The way it goes into the paint.
oh my God,
Like
he is
takes it to the
dominating.
hole.
He takes it to the hole.
Alright, yeah, I jerk.
Stop. What a lotion look like? Hit him in kind of. Shake it. Ah, baby, shake. Put it in there. No, yeah, like yeah. Hold on. All right, man. What's that white dog?
It's red. It's brand new. Stop.
Go back in the door.
No, stop. It's brand new. It's brand new. I promise.
Man, that shit ain't
That's brand new.
No, I probably would have smelled it just to see.
I'm not doing
What?
it.
It's crazy.
What?
Oh man, I look rough. But back now. It's the next day. I ain't gonna lie. Camera looks a little dirty. I'm tired as freak. Not gonna lie. Dallas, my brother, he had company over last night, and I left my room a wreck, as you can see. It's horrible, but yeah, today is a new day. They're not here no more, thank the Lord. But I didn't really record today at all because I've been at camp. I've been at camp like the past 4 weeks, helping out my dad and stuff. But yeah, I'm finna get this room clean, and probably not gonna record. You know why? Because I can do it all in the snap of a finger, and I'm finna show y'all how I can do that, all right? Y'all see the room right now. When I snap my finger, it's gonna be clean.